Welcome to Nova. Ever wonder how people turn small side hustles into full-blown six-figure incomes without burning out? I did it, and automation was the game changer. In this video, I'll show you the exact systems I use to scale effortlessly. If you're chasing freedom, don't forget to like and subscribe for more smart income strategies. Let's get started. 1. The turning point. Discovering the power of automation. In the beginning, I was juggling a 9-to-5 job, side hustles, and dreams of financial independence. I was trying everything: freelancing, selling digital products, dropshipping, but nothing truly scaled without consuming more of my time. Then one day, I stumbled upon a YouTube video explaining how automation could change everything. The concept hit me hard: make systems do the work instead of trading hours for dollars. I began diving deep into automation: Zapier, Notion, ChatGPT, and artificial intelligence scheduling tools. What started as curiosity quickly turned into obsession. I realized the bottleneck in all my income streams was me. If I could remove myself from the workflow, everything could scale. I experimented with artificial intelligence tools to write content, schedule posts, and respond to customers. I set up email autoresponders, created video outlines using GPT, and built automated lead funnels. These small automations started freeing up hours every week. Instead of reacting to tasks, I was planning growth. That shift alone was worth gold. My first major breakthrough was when I automated a low-ticket course funnel that ran ads, collected emails, nurtured leads, and sold all while I slept. It didn't make me rich overnight, but it gave me proof. This works. Automation wasn't just a tool. It became the foundation of my business. That moment rewired how I thought about income. I no longer needed to hustle harder. I needed to automate smarter. 2. Building my automated content machine. My biggest lever became faceless YouTube content. I created a repeatable system: scriptwriting with ChatGPT, voiceovers with artificial intelligence tools like 11 Labs, visuals from stock sites and animations, and scheduling with TubeBuddy. It was an overnight success. I spent weeks testing niches: finance, tech reviews, weird facts, until I found what clicked. I honed in on a niche with high revolution per minute and endless interest: digital income strategies. Then I built a team not of people, but of tools. ChatGPT wrote my scripts based on keyword research I automated using search engine optimization plugins. My voiceovers sounded human because I fine-tuned artificial intelligence voices to my brand. Video editing was outsourced cheaply or done through drag-and-drop tools like Pictory and Canva. I never showed my face. Everything was scheduled a month in advance. Comments were moderated using bots. The channel started slow: $50 a month, then $200, then $800. One video hit the algorithm and made $2,300 in 2 weeks. That validated the system. I duplicated the process for another niche, and then another. Each channel became a digital asset. Every upload was a lottery ticket with better odds because it was strategic, optimized, and scalable. What used to take 20 hours a week now took 2, and it kept earning while I slept. Once I chose my niche, I created a repeatable content system. Using ChatGPT, I outlined video scripts, blog posts, and lead magnets in bulk. Tools like Pictory and InVideo helped turn those scripts into faceless videos, complete with artificial intelligence voiceovers. I used templates for YouTube descriptions, affiliate links, and even thumbnails. The result? I could create a week's worth of content in a single afternoon, then automate uploads using scheduling tools. By building in public, I also grew an email list without even recording my own voice or showing my face. 3. The power of systems. Setting up auto funnels for sales. The next level was monetization beyond YouTube ads. I started integrating affiliate links into my videos, pointing viewers to tools I was already using: artificial intelligence apps, editing software, and online course platforms. I built lead magnets with ChatGPT, created landing pages using System.io, and connected email sequences using ConvertKit. Now I wasn't just getting views, I was collecting emails and building trust on autopilot. When a viewer clicked my link and signed up, I got paid. When they downloaded my free guide, they entered my email funnel. When they reached the final email, They often bought a course or joined a community. I tested multiple offers: low-ticket, mid-ticket, and even high-ticket affiliate products. Eventually, I created my own mini course using pre-recorded videos. That's when income exploded. One funnel brought in $1,200 in a day, and I didn't even launch anything new. It was running in the background. I stopped looking for clients and started building pipelines. The magic was in the back end. While most creators focused only on content, I built systems that turned views into leads, leads into customers, and customers into recurring buyers. And all of it was automated. I was working on the business, not in it. 4. Scaling the machine. Hiring AI instead of people. As I scaled, the question wasn't how much more work can I do, but how can I replace myself even further? I treated every repeated task like a problem to automate. Instead of hiring a virtual assistant to respond to emails, I used artificial intelligence-trained responses. Instead of a social media manager, I used scheduling tools with repurposed content. Instead of a copywriter, I fine-tuned ChatGPT with brand tone instructions. The only things I didn't automate were decisions, but even then, I created systems to guide those decisions. Each new digital product had a launch system. Every video followed a content standard operating procedure. Every affiliate campaign ran through a tracking sheet. I stopped being a solopreneur and started becoming an operator. I didn't grow a team, I grew a dashboard. At any moment, I could see which channel was bringing traffic, which funnel was converting, and which platform needed tweaks. And I didn't do this alone. Artificial intelligence was my employee. It worked 24/7, never asked for vacation, and cost less than $100 per month to run the entire business backbone. By removing the human drag and replacing it with code, automation, and artificial intelligence, I created something lean, powerful, and built for scale. Once the income was consistent, I stopped trying to do everything myself. I used tools like Trello to create a content pipeline and hired a team on Upwork to handle production. Each member had a specialized task, one for scripting, one for editing, one for publishing. With systems in place, I could run 3 to 5 channels with only 1 to 2 hours of my time each week. I reinvested profits into better tools, freelancers, and training. I also began experimenting with niche-specific faceless channels in travel, finance, and artificial intelligence. Some didn't work, but a few hit the jackpot. 5. The big shift, from active earner to wealth builder. Making money is great, but building wealth, that's different. Once my automated income hit $10,000 per month consistently, I shifted focus. I started stacking my profits into digital investments, buying high-performing content channels, funding ad campaigns with proven return on investment, and launching new faceless brands. I reinvested into systems, not just savings. That's when my income went from linear to exponential. I bought back more time and reinvested that time into strategy and innovation. More importantly, I stopped chasing every trend. I had a foundation. My mornings weren't filled with hustle, but with review. What's working? What can scale? What needs pruning? I lived off a small portion and funneled the rest into automating more streams. I diversified into digital real estate, affiliate partnerships, and even licensing content. It all started with one side hustle and the mindset to automate. I didn't work harder. I worked smarter with artificial intelligence systems and discipline. And the best part? Anyone can replicate this. You don't need to be a genius. You just need to start, automate, and scale. I could travel, focus on other projects, or even take a break without killing my income. I had built true digital leverage. The key to maintaining it was data. I monitored video analytics weekly, split-tested thumbnails, updated affiliate offers, and stayed current with YouTube algorithm trends. I also diversified by creating a simple blog that repurposed YouTube content for search engine optimization and added Google AdSense revenue. Automation turned my hustle into a hands-free income machine, and you can do it too. Which part are you excited to try? Drop a comment below. And if this inspired you, be sure to like the video and subscribe to Nova for more step-by-step guides on building automated income. See you in the next one.